Uncover the secrets hidden within Zillow's vast property data and learn how to ethically extract this information for your own market analysis. First, let's talk about legality and Zillow's terms of service. Scraping can be a gray area, so always review Zillow's robots.txt file and terms of use before you start any scraping project. Respect their rules to avoid being blocked. We'll use Python and some popular libraries such as Beautiful Soup for parsing HTML and requests to send HTTP requests to Zillow's server. Install these packages with pip if you don't have them already. Start by sending a GT request to the Zillow URL you want to scrape once you have the HTML content. Beautiful Soup will help you navigate the code. Inspect Zillow's website using your browser's developer tools to identify the HTML elements containing the information you need, like property prices, addresses, and descriptions. Now, use Beautiful Soup to extract the data based on those HTML elements. Be mindful of Zillow's website structure. It may change, requiring you to update your scraping script regularly. Implement error handling to gracefully manage unexpected issues. Store the scraped data in a structured format like a CSV file or a database for easy analysis. You can then use this data for things like comparing local real estate, investment opportunities, and real estate patterns. Lastly, remember to implement delays and consider using proxies to mimic human browsing behavior and avoid overloading Zillow's servers. This also helps maintain ethical standards. That wraps up a quick overview of Zillow scraping. Use these tips to collect data responsibly for real estate analysis. Be sure to like and subscribe for more data extraction tutorials.